Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to get more storage on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Now the first step guys, tap settings and scroll down and tap App Store. Then scroll down and toggle this on. Perfect. Now come back to second step and swipe up and go to General. Then scroll down and tap iPhone storage. Then tap size and tap size. And here guys you will see your all application from the large to the small. Now you can delete any unnecessary or any unused application. For example, I don't use Cam Scanner. Tap on it and tap delete app. And now you can get some storage, okay? For example, I don't use Azar2. Tap delete. Perfect. And tap show all to show you all application on your iPhone. Now delete any unnecessary application. Perfect. Then come back to General and go to settings and scroll down and tap photos. Then tap optimize iPhone storage. Perfect. Now close settings and go to photos and go to albums. Then scroll down and tap recently deleted. Then unlock your iPhone and delete here all the files. Tap select this one, tap 3 point and delete. Perfect. Now come back to album and go to videos and now remove any unnecessary videos, okay? For example, I don't want this, you can delete it. Also tap select that the video that you don't want. For example, this one, and this one, and then tap delete. Perfect. Now come back and go to selfies and delete all the pictures that you don't want, okay? Select, for example, this one, delete. Now that's it how you can get more storage on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.